Quick and dirty review of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which was hard to get. They're actually supposed to call me, but they never did, and this was the last one in stock. And here's instructions to install. There's a latch here, and then it opens like a hook system. Then put it in the hook, and then push down the latch, which puts pressure on it. Okay, so I just tried it on. This is what it looks like. We have a GoPro mount on the back. We have a Hotshoe on the left side. Now this is meant to run with the screen facing forward. This will allow you to select the front mic. This is considered the front only, so I think that would aid in helping in cycling, because the wind will come in the front, hit this mic over here, probably hit these mics on the side, so that will offer the least amount of wind noise. In terms of installing this, the tip I would say is that make sure it's not too high, because I found that when this thing was too high, I wasn't able to articulate the screen. So it's obviously made to articulate the screen without hindrance and without blocking the mic. So make sure when you install this, it's low enough, and then you still have access to these. There's no restriction on the buttons at all. Looks like good quality. Official DJI product accessory, Osmo Pocket 3 expansion adapter.